Hello everyone, my name is Achyut Singh. I'm currently pursuing my BTech from NIT Patna. I'm in my fourth year in Electronics and Communication Engineering branch. So, for as you know, I wanted to show my gratitude towards NRT India family for my uh, for my studies, for helping me to reach here where I'm right now. And uh, as you know, it was very like constant support. They gave me constant support like throughout my whole journey here. So I wanted to show, like, tell you about Pandey sir. He used to teach us physics, and it was like he used to teach us so like it was so was in a wholehearted way. Like it was easy to understand and grasp everything from like scratch. If you are like a beginner, you can easily reach from here to here, and it was very awesome, fantastic way. And and coming to the like Tarun sir, he used to teach us maths. I really remember, like, in those days when I used to study here, like for the studying, preparing myself for the competition. Like we they used to organize tests, weekly tests, like every Sunday morning, evening. I used to come here and give tests regularly, and it was, and the results were evaluated very early. So it was not something like you are not getting the results, and after the examinations, we had our doubt sessions very like thoroughly, and it was in a splendid way. I got the help from the whole NRT India family, and yeah, that's it. And since I have told you this much, I wanted to add one more thing. So since I'm an NIT and I'm not in an IIT, this was it's kind of a regret for me, because I didn't studied as that much as I like as there's a level of requirement to get into the IIT. Like you have to clear the J advance and score like about more than 5,000 rank, like that, so that you can get into that IITs in college. But I was not that much far. I got like around rank 12,000, so it was not that much well. But I regret it. But yeah, for now, like, NIT is good, and yes, that's I guess that's from my side. Thank you.